Hello, everyone. Today, I'd like to demonstrate for you a very powerful and amazing dashboard that I created using one of the top business intelligence tools out there, IBM's Cognos Analytics version 11.1.6. I've entitled this dashboard Revenue and Profit Analytics, and it uses fictitious data based on the sales records of a manufacturing company who specializes in sporting and outdoor equipment. The goal of the dashboard is to generate insight into the revenue and profit using mainly the product lines and product types as the key drivers of the analysis. For this demo, we're only going to use data from the year 2017, as I have filtered here, and also the product line golf equipment. There are other years and product lines, as you can see here, if we wish to do further comparison and contrasting. So to begin, on the top left, there's a basic bar chart here that we constructed comparing revenue versus planned revenue by product type. As you can see, there are different golf products listed here, and the horizontal bars are measuring the actual revenue, with the red lines here at the end being the measure for planned revenue or the company's targets. It's pretty easy to tell that the woods product type accounts for almost 50% of the revenue in the golfing equipment product line, while golf accessories only account for 6.5% of the revenue. However, upon further analysis and moving over here to the right, the construction of a basic summary table shows us a breakdown of the product line per product type. And if we quickly sort descending on profit margin, we realize that golf accessories, although having the least amount of revenue, actually has the highest profit margin across our products, coming in at 59.7%. This is valuable insight gained and a great example of what visualizing your data can show you that you just wouldn't be able to get if looking only at an Excel spreadsheet. So below this, we've got a simple revenue trend chart by quarter, as we don't want to overcomplicate our visualizations for our clients. You can see by looking at the chart that the trend line is steadily decreasing from Q1 all the way through Q3, starting with 17 million revenue in Q1 and only getting 5.2 million revenue in Q3. Perhaps this is a seasonal impact that can be further analyzed if the company so requests it. In the section to the right, I've built out some spiral charts, which are using the built-in Cognos artificial intelligence to determine which attributes predict our revenue metrics. The way these operate are that the closest markers to the center give us a stronger predictive strength for the attribute of revenue. For example, this marker here shows that product and quantity is a strong predictor of revenue at 92% strength. And if we click on further markers, it shows us that such attributes as postal code, province, or state are not attributes that are strong predictors for us in revenue, only coming in with a 10% predictive strength. Let's close out our filters up here so we get more real estate on our dashboard as we head into the middle and bottom sections. Right here in the middle is the KPI section, or key performance indicators for the company. KPIs are the oxygen of a company, as I can greatly attest to from my time working in the financial industry. So here we show revenue and profit KPIs, and they're aligned to each product type when filtering. For example, if we click on irons above, you can see the KPIs change quickly, and they're highlighted right here in the middle so you can't miss them when running through this dashboard. You can compare and measure planned revenue to actual revenue and gross profit to profit margin. Finally, below are a few word clouds to show how the actual names of the various products are responsible for driving our profits in relation to our revenue and gross profit. The larger text in the word cloud designates the product name that contributes most to revenue. In this case, the Hailstorm Titanium wood set, generating over $7 million in revenue. The darker text designates the product name that contributes most to profit margin. In this case, the Lady Hailstorm Titanium wood set, which has a 52.8% profit margin. To conclude, I hope you can see that this is a very powerful dashboard that maybe will take you 30 minutes to create once you're familiar with the IBM Cognos Analytics tool. And it can be customized for a variety of different categories of data, which makes it so great. I worked on this dashboard while getting my certification through the #1 IBM Cognos Analytics training course on the internet, Coglytics Analytics Development and Training by Kwame Iwuku. I highly suggest you visit his website at www.coglytics.com if you think you have an interest or passion in data analytics and visualization. And what I'll do is also post the link below in the comments. So that's all I wanted to demonstrate, everyone. Let me know your thoughts, comments, and feedback below.